so far. Borrow more vessels. The prophet said she kept on pouring. The oil never ended. Little became plenty. Right in her room in my small beginning. You showed up for me. You showed up for me. From little too much. You showed up for me. When I cried out, you heard my voice. You showed up for me. When I gave up, you held me close. You showed up for me. When I was confused, you made it clear. You showed up for me. I'm standing here. You showed up for me. No more fear. Now I believe. I receive. I am free. Say it again. Don't stop now. You showed up for me. DJ Jerryman, no doubt, make the sound reach heaven. Because when I had no help, you became my help. When I had no one, you stood for me. You showed up 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 for me. From my past, you showed up for me. To my now, you showed up for me. You showed up for me. To my future, you showed up for me. You showed up for me. Say it again. Say it again. Everybody now. Everybody now. Let it rise. You showed up for me. You showed up for me.
Welcome on board, DJ Jerryman live in the studio. At this point, I am rounding up the show. To come up again later, please kindly do well to give me a follow so that you won't miss out when I come up again. I'm facing some technical glitches right now that I need to refresh my system, and I will still come up again. Please give me a follow and like and share as well. That means a whole lot to me, and for you not to miss out when I will come up again live, please kindly give me a follow. If you have not become a member of this community by follow this account, please kindly do so and remain blessed as you do that.
You know they're tired for me. DJ Jerryman, raise the sound. Make the praise go all around. DJ Jerryman, no dollar. Make the sound.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Welcome on board. It's another moment of praise. Let us give Jehovah a groove. Remain connected. Praise all the way.